Okay, just taking the lid off the controller box. You can see everything's stuffed in here, jam-packed. This is the fitting for the 750 watt motor that I put in there. Here we go. There's the comparison with the two controllers. Quite a big difference in size. No way that one's going to fit in the other box. Anyway, I'm going to disengage this one and try to set this one up. This big fella. Okay. I won't bore you with this. I'll come back to this in a minute. Okay, so what I've done is I've disconnected everything from the bike controller, taking that off. I don't really need anything there. I'll close that box up in a minute. Oh, except for the two power wires. I've stuck the controller, I've just tied it on temporarily here. I'm starting to connect up. Unfortunately the phase connections don't match, so I'm just going to put them on temporarily. I'm going to insulate them in a minute. And the sensor wires I've got hooked up, I made up connectors there that match. So yeah, we're getting there. So pretty soon I'll check it out. The only other thing I've got is I've got the Rio stat. I made up a fitting for it on the handlebar here. I'm going to put this into it in a minute. It fits through that hole, tie it on, and I'll use that to control the bike. Well, I've got to test it out in a minute anyway. Okay. Nope. Now the big test. Turn this thing on, lift the back wheel up and start the rheostat, the throttle, and it works. And it goes quite a pace. Okay, turn it off. Okay. Judgment time. Now I've got to go try it on the road and see what it's like with a bit of a load on it. Go to a park now, just to try it out on the dirt for a minute. There we go. Take it off the stand, turn it on, and this is a bit of a downhill slope here, so I'm just going to ride down a little way and then come back up without pedal assist. I just come up on throttle, see how she goes up the slope. That's about a 10-degree gradient, I suppose. You probably can't tell on camera, but okay, so here we go. Well, the conclusion of that is that motor is terrific. So, why it didn't go before when I stuck it onto the standard equipment on the bike was the controller. So the controller I've got on at the moment does not have the connections. It doesn't seem to have a pedal assist mode, and trying to figure out the wires that go to the display up here is just too difficult. It's just wired completely differently. So what I might do is get myself a whole kit, controller, display and throttle, that I can plug into this much more powerful controller. Well, there we go, my experiment finally worked, and thanks for watching.